This video is made possible by my free and paid supporters over on Patreon. Join us over on Patreon for exclusive in-depth content and a deeper look into my creative process. That's patreon.com/Eddie_G.
Faces blinking off and on. She's always sleeping with the TV on. Drinks are cheap, sun is free. What else you need? Ain't my girl Betty? Ain't my girl Betty? Lend your friends a surfboard for a time. Rotating, cast a losers, trade them off for one. My girl Betty. My girl Betty. In my girl Betty. In my girl Betty. In my girl Betty.
How's it going, y'all?
What's going on, baby?
Good to see you.
Listen,
Yeah, strapped up.
Nice.
nah, literally.
How many rolls you got on you?
Too much. I got
Yeah.
way too much.
No,
We'll see.
no medium?
No, it's too heavy.
Yeah,
Carrying that
fair.
beast around.
Fair.
Yeah, trying to spare my back.
The double, you double like it up.
What's
Yeah.
up though? You're cheating on another with our with somebody in LA. I saw that.
Art house?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
no,
loaded
just
up.
kidding. Yeah.
All right, 1, 2. I'm gonna do 2 photos.
I don't wanna wait, not another day, not another night. Don't you hesitate,
What about the other one? Let 'em
This is film.
Film?
Yeah, so
How can, I want your contact information. The name again?
Eddie.
right next to
You guys have a good one.
no
Thank you.
space between
What's up?
skin on my skin, touching everything
Yeah.
I
Awesome.
need.
Second here. 2. Awesome. One more.
Tell me that you want it right now. It's all or nothing, baby. Oh, baby.
I'll just
Eddie_G. take a portrait of you guys? That's looking good. Let's see. All right, give me 2 seconds there. 2, 3. Awesome. Thank you guys. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Do one more. Thank you guys. Oh, what's up, man? Everybody out here today, bro? Yeah, it's fun. That's a good, thank you. You guys mind if I take a portrait of you guys? This is real nice. All right. Awesome. Thank you guys.
At the crack of dawn to send a little money home from here to the moon is rising like a discotheque, and now my bags are down and packed for traveling, looking at happiness, keeping my flavor fresh. Nobody knows, I guess, how far I'll go. I know. So I'm leaving at 6 o'clock, meet in a parking lot, having a Hender shot, sunglasses on. She waits by this glass and concrete and stone. It is just a house, not a home.
All right, you ready? One more.
That covers me from head to toe.
Come closer, come closer. Yeah, there you go. All right, ready? 1, 2. Awesome. Nice shot, y'all. I can do one more on digital. Here, let's do one more.
The city's blowing in and out.
All right, ready? 1,
This is what
2.
it's all about.
Yeah, man.
Everything's possible.
Yeah.
To an animal, not inconceivable how things can change. I know. So I'm putting on aftershave. Nothing is out of place. Gonna be on my way. Try to pretend.
Awesome.
It's
Nice shot.
glass and concrete and stone, and it's just a house, not a home.
Excuse me. Do you guys mind if I take a portrait of you guys? You guys are looking excellent. Let me see. All right. Ready? Mind if I get a portrait of you, man? Yeah. All right, ready? 1, 2. Awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, what's up, bro? How's it going, dude? Doing pretty good. Alright, so that was the end of the event there, last picture. So I shot 2 rolls of film, black and white and color 500T, but I did that mostly with flash and then a ton on the M11. So looking forward to just being at that event all summer long. In my opinion, it's the best event at Denver, best event Denver has. I mean, it's still kind of going until it gets dark. They're just cleaning up and everybody's scattering, so Catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe for more.